We did this exterior HPL project earlier last year. A beautiful 4,000 square yard farmhouse featuring Fundermax HPL installed with rivet-free gluing system. These pictures are from the rooftop. 18 months later, the client decided to install a safety wire as the children want to play on the rooftop. The bolts weren't long enough, so instead of gripping the concrete wall, all the tension was absorbed by the HPL. Friends, this is not recommended. HPL is not a load-bearing facade. This will be fixed by removing the whole panel and reinstalling it. Have you experienced ever this similar sort of a situation where you deliver a project and then something happens and someone else does it? Well, it is painful, but just want to share this with you. This is the problem with HPL that can occur on your sites.